Hello everyone, welcome back to Pocket Learning channel. In today's video, we're going to cover join clause. So we'll be covering three different types of joins in this video, which are inner join, left join, and right join. So basically, what are joins? So joins are used. So joins clause basically used to combine rows from two or more uh, different tables based on a related column between them. So if we want to join two different tables, there should be a related column or a common column which joins the tables. So let's start. Uh, and before going into the video, I'll just show you the basic syntax of join. So it will be like select A dot column 1, comma B dot column 2 from table 1, which we defined as A, and join table 2, which will be defined as B, on A dot column 3 equal to B dot column 3. So here later on we can add a where condition also. Condition 1. So later on you can add this where condition also according to the data format you want. So this is the basic syntax of join, which we'll be using. So in this, what we did, we have selected columns. We selected column 1 from table A. So why we written A and B? So these are nothing but to define the table. We defined the table 1 as A and we defined table 2 as B. So in the same way, we should call the columns. So I have called column 1 from table A dot column 1 and B dot column 2 from table 2, where I have joined on the basis of A dot column 3 equal to B dot column 3. And here I can continue with the condition which I can give. So now let's see how inner join, left join, right join, and cross join works. We already have two different tables, and let's see how they will be using and what are the significance. So we can go to the Venn diagrams. So here you can see this is the inner join. So this returns the matching values in the both the tables. So if these two are the tables, only the set of data which is matched between the two tables will be displayed. So this is the syntax like select A dot column 1, B dot column 2 from select from table 1, which we defined as A, and we should write as inner join and on table 2. So in the same manner, the way we have written here, we just need to write inner join. So what does this do? This just returns the values or the records which are matching in the both the tables. Whatever the related column is there. So when it matches uh, the same values with the same values, then these records will be displayed, which will be picked from the both of the tables. So if you go to the second concept, which is left join. So before going into the left join, we just implement the query for inner join, and we'll see how the data will be will be getting as output. So what I'll do, you have two different tables. So one is teachers data and teachers performance. Both of them consists of employee ID as common. So here we have employee ID, and in the same way in teacher's performance also. So we have teacher ID. So teacher employee ID and teacher ID, the common related column between both the tables. So let's write a query for inner join, and so I'll be taking uh, teachers underscore data as a inner join teachers underscore performance as B. So I'll take it as TD as teachers data, and I'll take it as TP, which is uh, teachers performance. We'll be joining on TD dot employee ID equal to TP dot teacher underscore ID. So we'll be writing the columns also. Before I just want to write the logic, and I'll select the column. So I want to take a dot sorry TD dot employee ID, TD dot first name, first name, and TD dot last name, also subject, TD dot subject. And also I'll take few columns from teacher's performance also, which is TP dot overall underscore score. From from teacher's data, I'm inner joining teacher's performance. So you can see the query how we have written. So let's execute it and we'll see. So you can see based on the teacher ID, there are as per the joint on the teacher ID, you can see there are three records which are available. So we'll analyze the data also. So you can see one, two, three, four, five. So there are five employees in teachers data, and in teachers performance, we have one, two, three, six. So this is the incremental column which I have added. So we need to refer the teacher ID. Which we have provided here as a related column. So you can see there are one, two, three columns in teachers performance, and we have one, two, three, four, five columns. So you can see only these top three columns are matched. So as we have discussed, you can see returns, inner join returns records matching values in both the tables. So only these three columns are being matched. So same uh, is displayed as the output. So I'll be renaming this tab as inner join just for our reference. So when we'll be comparing the left join, right join, and cross join with this inner join, we'll get to know what is the exact difference. So I have rewritten the name as inner join. So I have pinged this. We will move to next concept, which is left join. So basically, left join uh, returns all the values or left rows which are matched records from the right side table. So it will be if we use the left join, what it does, it returns the table, it returns the records from left table along with the matched records from the right table. So whatever the records were matched from the right table, it will show. So let's see, let's execute. We'll be copying the same code. So just to understand the logic, I'll just change it as, just give the heading as inner join. So I'll make it as left join. So I'll make inner as left. So left, and just we'll execute it. So now you can see where there is teachers data. You can see the employee code as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Uh, where this, as we discussed, all the left columns will be displayed. All the left table rows will be displayed. Where from along with the matched values of right. So these three values were matched in the teacher's performance. As you can remember, in teacher's performance, there are only three records, which are 1, 2, and 6. Sorry, four records: 1, 2, 3, and 6. There is no 4 and 5 employee ID who consists of exists with 4 and 5 ID. They were not there in the teacher's performance. So what it have written? It have written all the left side rows and which are matched with 1, 2, 3. So it has given overall score as 4.5, 4.54, which is matched for 1, 2, 3 employee IDs, and where the values were doesn't exist in the teacher performance, it returned as null. So in this way, to write all the left side, in the sense all the table one columns, sorry, rows, you will be using left join where it matches the records from the right. So we'll see in the same way, we'll see right join also. So in the right join, you copy the same code, and I'll show you the Venn diagram also for this. So this we have completed. So all the data from the left will be displayed where the records matched from the right. Only the matched records will be displayed. If there are no records, in that case, it will be displayed as null. So in this, the same logic will be applied for right join also. In the right join, same concept. All the right rows will be displayed, which are with the matched records from the left. So whatever the records are matched with the records of uh, table 2 will be displayed. If the records are not there, it will be shown as null, but all the rows of table 2 will be displayed in the with the right join. So I'll just rewrite it as right join, and we'll just execute this query. You can see 1, 2, 3. So if we execute this, there are 1, 2, 3, 6 columns. 6 are available. So where if you write use right join, we can see there are only 1, 2, 3, and there is 4.5, which is a record of sixth employee ID in teacher's performance. If you exchange, you will get a good clarity. I'll just do one thing. Just copy this. Here I'll write teacher's data, and also we need to change this, or else we'll get the error TP and TD. So let's execute it and see. So I have forgot to write and so it's okay. So let's see. Here you can see there are records, write records. In the sense, table two records. You can see the Venn diagram. Table two, table one we have taken as teacher's performance, and table two we have taken as teacher's data. So all the teacher's data records were displayed as per our logic, and the matched records in the teacher's performance were also displayed. So here I can see in the above query, we have placed the teacher's data as in the table one and teacher's performance in the table two. So in that case, all the records from teacher's performance were displayed as rows 1, 2, 3, and 6th, which is null in teacher's data. That's the reason why it doesn't display the data. So in it I have written the 4.5 as value. So in the same case, if the teacher's performance does not have fourth and fifth employee, it has sixth employee, one, two, three, and sixth employee, but don't have four and five. So that's what it written as null. Here, all the records were picked from teacher's data. So right side data will be picked with the matched values in the table two. So this is a right join. So in the upcoming video, we'll be discussing cross join and self join and union. So these are the three topics which we have discussed, and we'll discuss few more topics in the next upcoming video regarding joins. So thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe the channel.